Imagine reducing maintenance costs by up to 50% and increasing production efficiency by 20%. With LSTM-based predictive maintenance, that's a reality. By utilizing IIoT technology, we can predict equipment failure before it happens, resulting in a 70 to 90% reduction in downtime. Don't miss out on these revolutionary benefits for your industry. Switch to predictive maintenance with LSTM today. Are unexpected equipment breakdowns costing your business? The average cost of unplanned downtime is $260,000 per hour. And traditional reactive maintenance can lead to up to 30% of the maintenance budget being wasted on unnecessary repairs. Don't let these numbers hit your bottom line. Switch to predictive maintenance and stay ahead of the game. Say goodbye to unexpected downtime and wasted maintenance budget with LSTM-based predictive maintenance. Using IIoT technology, we can predict equipment failure before it happens, resulting in a reduction of downtime by up to 90%. Additionally, by implementing predictive maintenance, companies can see cost savings of 30 to 50% and an increase in production efficiency by 10 to 20%. Don't let these numbers slip by. Upgrade to predictive maintenance with LSTM today. Predictive maintenance using LSTM and IIoT technology is a game changer for industrial companies. It allows for the prediction of equipment failure before it happens, resulting in a reduction of downtime by up to 90%, cost savings of 30 to 50%, and an increase in production efficiency by 10 to 20%. These numbers speak for themselves. Upgrade to predictive maintenance with LSTM today and revolutionize your maintenance strategy. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.